Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your current linked account on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to change the current linked account on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app on a device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Widgetable app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very top taskbar. So to change the linked account, click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option like notification units and all of it. So click on the option of name at the very top, and this takes you to the profile icon where you'll see the option of bills, gift card or code, change linked account and all of it. So click on the option of change linked account from here, and this will take you to the sign in page, and here you will see the option of continue with Apple, and this is the current account. So if you want to change it, you just need to click on the option of continue with Google, and you just need to sign into your account and you will be able to change the linked account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.